For centuries, castor oil has been a prized possession, a well-kept secret passed down through generations. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized its remarkable healing properties. Imagine Cleopatra, the epitome of beauty, using castor oil to enhance her lashes and hair. This ancient knowledge, once shrouded in mystery, is now rediscovering its rightful place in our modern world. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is more than just a simple oil. It's a treasure trove of therapeutic benefits, a testament to nature's profound ability to heal and rejuvenate. This viscous, pale yellow liquid is abundant in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid attributed to its extraordinary health-promoting properties. From soothing skin ailments to promoting hair growth, castor oil's versatility is truly remarkable. Its uses extend beyond the realm of beauty, encompassing a wide range of health concerns, from digestive issues to joint pain. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of castor oil, uncovering its secrets and exploring its countless benefits. Castor oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting a unique composition that sets it apart from other oils. Its star component, ricinoleic acid, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a formidable ally in combating various ailments. When applied topically, castor oil works wonders for the skin. It penetrates deeply, delivering intense hydration and locking in moisture. Its anti-inflammatory action soothes irritation, reduces redness, and promotes healing. Whether you're battling dryness, eczema, or acne, castor oil can be your go-to solution for achieving healthy, radiant skin. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to promote hair growth. Its nourishing properties strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and stimulate hair growth, leaving you with luscious, healthy locks. Moreover, castor oil's antifungal properties combat dandruff and scalp infections, ensuring a healthy environment for optimal hair growth. Integrating castor oil into your daily routine is easier than you think. Here are a few simple ways to incorporate this versatile oil into your life. Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face and body after showering. Its deep moisturizing properties will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Massage a tablespoon of castor oil onto your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing. Repeat this twice a week for noticeable results. Dip a clean mascara wand into castor oil and apply it to your eyebrows and eyelashes before bedtime. This promotes hair growth and thickness. Mix castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and use it for a relaxing massage. Its anti-inflammatory properties help relieve muscle pain and soreness. Massage a few drops of castor oil onto your cuticles to soften and moisturize them. Ready to take your beauty regime up a notch? Try these simple DIY recipes using castor oil. First up, we have a hydrating hair mask for dry and damaged hair. You'll need 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash and condition your hair as usual. Next, let's make an exfoliating sugar scrub for radiant skin. You'll need half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of castor oil, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil if you like. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. These are just a few examples of how you can incorporate castor oil into your beauty routine. Feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. While generally safe for topical use, it's important to perform a patch test before applying castor oil to a larger area of your skin. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before using castor oil. Ingesting large amounts of castor oil can have laxative effects and should be avoided. Always use high-quality, cold-pressed, and hexane-free castor oil for best results. Castor oil, with its rich history and remarkable benefits, deserves a place in your medicine cabinet. From promoting healthy skin and hair to soothing muscle pain and aiding digestion, its versatility is truly impressive. Embrace the power of nature's liquid gold and experience the transformative benefits of castor oil. Incorporate it into your daily routine and discover a healthier, more radiant you. Remember, a small amount of this potent oil goes a long way. Start incorporating it gradually and enjoy its numerous benefits.